Hi guys, welcome back to my universe. My name is Daniela, I'm a fiber artist, and in today's tutorial I will be teaching you how to crochet this super cute strawberry. It is super easy, fast, no sew, takes less than 8 minutes. I'll also be showing you how to make it in 3 different sizes and a keychain idea. I hope you like it, and let's go to the tutorial. For this tutorial, we will be using red and green yarn, a 3.5mm hook. I highly recommend using stitch markers, a sewing needle, stuffing, a yellow thread. In this case, I'm using light yarn. And if you want to make a keychain, then you'll need the keychain with the beads you will use to decorate it. We will start by doing 6 single crochet into a magic ring. For round 2, we will make 1 single crochet and 1 increase until the end of the round. You should end up with 9 stitches, and don't forget to add your stitch marker in the first stitch. We will make 2 single crochet and an increase until the end of the round. You should end up with 12 stitches. For round 4, we will make 3 single crochet and an increase until the end of the round. You should end up with 15 stitches. For round 5, we will single crochet a round. For round 6, we will make 3 single crochet and 1 decrease until the end of the round. You should end up with 12 stitches. Before we continue, we will stuff our strawberry. For round 7, we will make 6 decreases, and we will color change to green in the last one. You can now cut the red yarn. For round 8, we will make 6 slip stitches. For the last round, we will work only in the front loop. So we will make 1 single crochet, chain 4, and do 1 single crochet into the same stitch, like this. We will continue doing this until the end of the round. Remember to work only in the front loop. We can now cut the yarn and fasten off. To close, we will use our sewing needle and go through the back loop only of each of the stitches of round 8. And to finish, hide the remaining yarn. If you want to add a keychain, leave this tail. To finish our strawberry, we will add small dots around. And to finish, make a knot to secure everything. And here is our finished strawberry. Now for the keychain, we will make 3 strawberries following the same pattern. If you want them to have different sizes like these ones, I would recommend you to increase the hook size. So for this strawberry, I used light yarn and a 3mm hook. For this strawberry, I used the same yarn, but I made it thicker like this. And I used a 3.5mm hook. For this last strawberry, I used super bulky yarn and a 4mm hook. You can now add your strawberries to your keychain. To add a keychain to the strawberries, I like to use the final tail and sew it to the keychain like this. And I go through the same spot as many times as possible. After you are done with your first strawberry, you can repeat the same process with the other strawberries. And here is our finished keychain. I attach the big strawberry directly to the keychain and then add this cute decoration for the second strawberry. And I finished by adding another small strawberry directly to the ring of the keychain. And there you go. I hope you liked the tutorial. Remember that you can find the written pattern in my Instagram if you prefer that format. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. That will help me a lot to bring you more content like this one. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!